Welcome learners. In this video we are going to learn about how to upload new YouTube videos to our YouTube account so that it can be viewed by our potential users or students, or publicly how it can be viewed by a greater audience, a large audience. So in this tutorial we will try to make a video and we'll try to upload it. The video is already created by me and I will show you how best we can upload that video onto your YouTube account. You must have a Google account with you so as to use this particular facility. So first of all, log into your Google account and be ready with your YouTube portal, and then the rest things will be shown as follows. So let us see how to upload a video into our YouTube account. As you can see that I have made one video, I have recorded one video, and I want to put this recorded video of mine to my YouTube account. As you can see that the recorded video is of 360 MB. So according to your internet speed it will take some time to upload. If your video is too long, it will take much time to get uploaded. And if your video is shorter video, then it may take a quick it may be uploaded quickly to your account. So let us find out how to upload this particular video into our YouTube account. So first of all we have to proceed to our YouTube account. So let me proceed to my YouTube account. So this is my YouTube account, as you can see. Now what you have to do is you have to quickly go to this area of your particular page where you can see a video icon. On the top right corner you can see a video icon is present. So just click on that video icon and you can just see that there are two menus. One is for uploading videos and another is for going live. So just click on upload video and it will lead you to the upload page of your website. So now you can see that we are presented with an upload video option. So you can see here one dialog box is there where we have a blue button called select files. So here you have to click this button, select file, and you have to browse down your video which you want to upload. So I have put my video in my download section. So this was the video that I wanted to upload. Please check twice whether you are uploading the correct video or not, so that it is not regrettable later. So just click on this video which you want to upload and just go to click this open button. I am doing this on a Macintosh machine. The same process will be there in the Windows PC. If you are using Windows PC or you are using mobile, even then also you will be having this same process. Now you can see that you have to explain all the attributes of this particular video on your YouTube dialog box. So here you can see that I have to write down the title of my video. So this is my virtual class 38. So I will just write here virtual class 38, and then I will describe my video, what are the contents that I have discussed in this video. So I have discussed about Python data types. So I'm writing about my content, and 1 2 3 4 like that. You can give as many as description possible. There's 5,000 letters, up to 5,000 letters you can type here. Now this is an interesting section of this particular dialog box, which is called thumbnail. Now what is this thumbnail? Thumbnail is something which presents your, which is an image which is coming to your YouTube video. When the viewer is viewing your YouTube video, the first image that they see on your page is the thumbnail, right? So this thumbnail explains your video, it presents your video very well. So you must give a good thumbnail to your videos. Now let us see how to make a good thumbnail. Meanwhile the video is going to upload, we can just go to PowerPoint, just open the PowerPoint, and like this you can make a good PPT slide, and just play that PPT slide, and you can take a very good screen shot of this particular PPT, and that's how we make a thumbnail, right? So this is being made. The thumbnail is saved somewhere. We will just browse it out wherever it is. Now I'm going to my thumbnail. I'm clicking on this upload thumbnail, and let us see where my thumbnail is saved. Yes, it is saved here in the desktop. So I'm just going to browse that thumbnail image file. That will be an image file, either it will be a JPG or PNG file. Now just click on that image file and click on open. So now you can see that the thumbnail is also there. So this will be in the front of your video. Whenever a viewer views your video, he will able to see the thumbnail. So it should be more appealing, it should be kept appealing thumbnail, right? Your thumbnail should be appealing to the viewers. Now let us find out other sections in this particular dialog box. So you can keep your videos, all your videos in particular group. So you can make it later also, but here I have made some groups already. I have created some playlist. These are the groups or playlist. So I will keep my videos in KVS related tutorial projects or something like that, okay, or say KKG vlogs or something like that. Whatever new playlist we have made, or either you can make a fresh playlist too. Just clicking on new playlist, you can make a fresh playlist if you want to make. Suppose why we are using playlist? We are using playlist so as to categorize our videos. Whatever uploads we are doing, we are categorizing it. Say for example, you are making videos related to EVS. So you will have a category or a playlist called EVS. If you have a playlist of EVS category for class 5, then your playlist should be named as EVS class 5. Like that you can just categorize your playlists. So I am just going to keep my playlist as private lectures. I will just click on this and then done. So this is done, and now I can just make it as yes. Now here you can see that there is a section called whether it is made for kids or not. So if it's not made for kids, you have to declare no, it is not made for kid. If it is yes, then you should be abiding by the laws of the your country, right? So it's made for kid. Now there is an option called show more in this dialog box coming down. So just click on this show more. It will be showing you more things about your videos, attributes about your videos. One of the important attributes we find here is tags. So you can add tags. Now what is the purpose of this tag? These tags helps viewers to search your video faster on YouTube platform. So the more correct or appropriate tag you are giving here, more easily the viewers or the subscribers will be able to find your videos. So now let us give a fruitful tag to this. So I am making a video lessons on uploading video content. So uploading of the YouTube videos. So this is my first keyword, comma. As soon as you are clicking on giving a comma, this is highlighted, this keyword is highlighted. you can add so many other keywords also. Say for example, upload video on YouTube. So as many as combination of keywords you may provide here, right? So that's super easy. Now let us come to the next thing, that is you can categorize the language of your video. By default it is in English, so I'm not making any changes over here. You can just keep the recording time. These are optional parameters you may or may not set for your video, but when the user searches your video, so these particular attributes helps to promote your videos. So that's why always try to give it, because if I'm typing here my location, if I am typing my location, what it will do to my video, it will help my viewers, my localized viewers, to find this video easily. Okay, so that's what is the point here. Now YouTube license. Now this license is very important here. This attribute tells about what type of license you are wanting to give to your videos. By default it is standard YouTube license, that is a copyrighted license of YouTube under the under the YouTube privileges. Whatever license facilities you are getting, that particular license applications are facilities are applicable on your product or your video. But there is one particular license which is of interest, which is called as Creative Commons. If you are going for this license, what will happen, your video can be shared by anyone, can be viewed by anyone, and can be distributed by anyone. So that makes your videos open source, or it integrates your video in a open learning environment. So that's what we should use as a teachers when we are making something which is of a great help to our general public or mass. So we should give the license as Creative Commons, right? So I'm giving a Creative Commons license over here, and then you can just give the categories of your video, to which category your video is about. So I'm making for education, so it's just education, and then that's it. So these are the few of the attributes. Let us revise. What are the attributes? First the title, the second is the description, then the thumbnail, then comes the playlist, then whether the video is for kids or not, and then paid promotion. These are only for if you are going to make money out of your videos, for commercial purposes it is there. And then the tags, very important attribute. Tags are very important attribute. It facilitates the searching of your video on the net, right? And then next is what is known as the date and time and place of your video, the license agreement of your video, and the category to which it belongs. Now after putting all these attributes, what we will do, we will proceed to next. Click on next, and then next, and again next. Now here is visibility of your video. Now it comes about who will be able to view your videos. This is very important point here to understand. If you are making your videos as private, then only you and only you can view your video. That means it is not shared to anybody. But if I am making this as unlisted, then what will happen? A course link will be created, or a video link will be created, and if you are going to distribute this link to anybody, that particular person can view your video. Nobody else can view your video. The person having the link of your video can only view it. And at last we have a public visibility. Public visibility means it will be published in public, and anybody who is using YouTube can search down your videos, or can be recommended by YouTube about your video if your video is trending, and then he or she can view the video, right? So that is public forum, when you are going to publish it in the public forum. So these are the three types of visibilities we have: private, unlisted, and public. So judiciously use them according to your purpose and need. Say for example, if you are putting something which you want to show tomorrow or day after tomorrow, or on a scheduled day, then make it private and publish it on that very day when you want to begin your program or show your program, right? So that's what a great thing about this particular part is, visibility, right? Next is schedule. You can schedule your video when it will be published to the people. You can set premiere to your videos. So I'm not going to do that now, but you can always set a schedule for your video to be published. And at last, just you have to go to schedule and click on schedule. So I'm not going to schedule it, so I'm just going to the other visibility, save or publish, and I'm making it as unlisted, and then I'm going to save it. So now you can see the last button, the save button. Click on the save button, and here you go, your video is going to the YouTube platform, and you will get what? Since I have made unlisted categories, I have made the visibility as unlisted, it will give me back the video link. So I have to this is very important step, where you have to copy your video link, copy it, so that you can distribute to your particular viewers or a section of viewers. Say for example, you want to just give it to your students, so that your students could only be benefited. You don't want it to be public in the public forum, you only want it to be distributed among your class students. So you can just copy it and give it. The link can be shared on WhatsApp or wherever you want. So that's all about creating a video and uploading it onto the YouTube platform. I hope this is understandable.